Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing I'm using is the Garnier Micellar water. This is the oil infused one. With this, I'm just going to clean up my makeup. Now I'm going to take the BODYSHOP Tea Tree face wash and I'm going to pour this on my facial cleansing sponge and I'm going to massage it on my skin really well. Take your time and massage it well. The remaining makeup will come off. After that, wash your face and pat dry. Next up, I'm going to use a scrub. This is the O3 Plus Plunge USA Sugar Glow Scrub. Scrub your face for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash your face and pat dry. Next, I'm going to use a lip scrubber by Juicy Chemistry and this is in orange flavor. Lastly, I'm going to use a sheet mask and this is by the Face Shop. This is the smoothing sheet mask. I'm going to keep this for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I am going to remove the sheet mask and I'm just going to massage the remaining serum I have on my face and massage it really well into my skin. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye guys.